In an IIS Windows 2019 server, you may decide you need to remove a certificate or just change the certificate to a new one. And we can do that in IIS simply by going over and selecting the site that you want, going over to Bindings on the right-hand side, and there's the certificate that was chosen. So all I have to do is just click Remove. Now my other option besides removing the certificate would be changing the certificate. So I could just go in and click Edit, and I could go down to my certificate list and just choose a different certificate altogether. And I can also view it just to make sure that it's not expired. So if I decide, oh, that one's expired, let's just choose this other one, click View, and that one's still good. Then we'll click OK and close, and now it's going to use that new certificate. You'll need to make sure that that host header that we just looked at right here matches the name of the certificate. In this case, it doesn't, so we want to make sure that it does. So that way when people go to that, it'll be redirected to this particular website if you have multiple websites all using SSL. And that is how you remove or edit the certificate that's being used in IIS on a 2019 server, and it also works on older servers as well.